Hello everyone, today we are learn capital letter alphabet A to Z with color name. Peace pink color, dark green color, sky blue color, orange color, light green color, brown color, black color, white color, yellow color, blue color, purple color, gray color, pink color, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Let's paint. Red color, A, A for apple. Blue color, B, B for bag. Yellow color, C, C for cow. Orange color, D, D for dog. Light green color, E, E for egg. Red color, F, F for fish. Blue color, G, G for goat. Yellow color, H, H for hand. Orange color, I for ice cream. Light green color, J, J for jug. Red color, K, K for kite. Blue color, L, L for lion. Yellow color, M, M for mango. Orange color, N, N for nose. Light green color, O, O for octopus. Red color, P, P for panda. Blue color, Q, Q for queen. Yellow color, R, R for rabbit. Orange color, S, S for sun. Light green color, T, T for tiger. Red color, U, U for unicorn. Blue color, V for van. Yellow color. W for watermelon. Orange color. X for X-ray. Light green color. Y for YOYO. Red color. Z for zebra.
A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z.
Dark green color. Purple color. Gray color. Red color. Light green color. Orange color. Pink color. White color. Brown color. Yellow color. Sky blue color. This pink color. Blue color and black color. So let's draw. Red color. A for alligator. Missing letter. B for butterfly. Orange color. C for candle. Missing letter. D for doctor. Yellow color. E for elephant. Missing letter. F for frog. Dark green color. G for goat. Missing letter. H for hand. Sky blue color. I for ice cream. Missing letter. J for jam. Red color. K for kite. Missing letter. L for lion. Yellow color. M for monkey. Missing letter. N for nose. Sky blue color. O for onion. Missing letter. P for pencil. Red color. Q for queen. Missing letter. R for rose. Orange color. S for sun. Missing letter. T for train. Dark green color. U for umbrella. Missing letter. V for van.
red color. W. W for watermelon. Missing letter. X. X for Xmas tree. Sky blue color. Y. Y for yo-yo. Missing letter. Z. Z for zebra. Let's learn. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Let's paint. Red color. A. A for alligator. Yellow color. B. B for ball. Orange color. C. C for cow. Sky blue color. D. D for duck. Light green color. E. E for elephant. Red color. F. F for flag. Yellow color. G. G for gift. Orange color. H. H for horse. Sky blue color. I. I for ice cream. Light green color. J. J for jam. Red color. K. K for kite. Yellow color. L. L for lemon. Orange color. M. M for man. Sky blue color. N. N for notebook. Light green color. O. O for orange. Red color. P. P for pencil. Yellow color. Q. Q for quilt. Orange color. R. R for rabbit. Sky blue color. S. S for sun. Light green color. T. T for turtle. Red color. U. U for umbrella. Yellow color. V. V for face. Orange color. W. W for watercolor. Sky blue color. X. X for Xmas tree. Light green color. Y. Y for yacht. Red color. Z. Z for zebra. Yellow color. 1. Orange color. 2. Sky blue color. 3. Light green color. 4. Red color. 5. Yellow color. 6.
Now I know my ABC.
Orange color.
Next time won't you
7.
sing with me?
Sky blue color. 8.
A, B,
Light
C,
green
D,
color.
E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O,
9.
P, Q, R, S, T,
Red
U,
color.
V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know
10.
my
Let's
ABCs.
learn.
Next time won't you
A,
sing with me?
B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.